Hi, this is Keith Parsons, Dr. NetFlow with Action Pack Networks. Today I'd like to show you QoS monitoring with LiveAction and its feature set. Here we are looking at our typical flow view, and let's say we got a call today of maybe a video problem on the network. So I'll focus on that one flow and quickly drill down to show only that one flow. And now we can actually see the flow of traffic going through the network, and we see that an interface is in amber. So we'll go to QoS, and with our tool, the amber indicator shows us that we have a problem on that interface of drops or congestion. So notice that when we see the interfaces, we show actual little squares with arrows, and that indicates that there's policies applied to those interfaces. We can actually hold our cursor over it and hover on it and see the policies, then their names as well. And we see that the output policy for WAN shaping is actually in trouble. So we'll take and double click on that actual policy or that interface, and we can actually see the policy now. And at the bottom right corner of the screen, we can see that interactive video is amber, indicating that it's actually dropping traffic. And we can see the drops in real time right now. I can also go up right up to the top of the screen and select and get a drill down by time. So I can do an hour, the last 6 hours, the last day, week, or a custom time frame needed, and I could even examine the errors and problems or interface drops that are occurring on this particular interface. And as you can see, we do have drops that are occurring at the bottom right corner of the screen, and I can always drill down to 1 minute granularity at any time and examine the QoS problems that are occurring. From the home view, I want to show you that we have our new dashboard, and the QoS dashboard allows me to see several things, including CPU usage and memory usage, but top 10 interface bandwidth, interface drops, drop bit rate, and class bandwidth can all be shown very, very easily from within the new dashboard that we've included within LiveAction. Also, there's reports that we have, and within the reports we've added several new reports in the latest release, and now we can do comparison reports, such as an in-bar comparison report can easily be ran as well. Comparing two interfaces or two time periods can easily be done. So as a demonstration now, I'll just go ahead and set one up very quickly and look. And we'll set outbound on this one, and we'll execute the report, and there we can actually see the in-bar comparison now very easily. And so the comparison reports are very valuable to see what traffic has changed and why, and to help us classify the data as well. In addition, we have our audit function, and that is very important. Within LiveAction, we have the ability of going out and monitoring all the policies that are in your network and then delivering a report based off Cisco best practices. So it makes it very easy for us to go in and say, hey, we can now go in and look at a network, look at all the policies, and then very easily find the problems that exist. Here's an example of the issues that I have on my network with the policies as well. So if you like what you've seen so far, just go ahead and go to our site, www.actionpack.com, and take a look and get the free download. Thanks again.